having with me Pikesh Mahapatra, and we are starting an interview. And the first question is, why do you like to be in a education sector, not in a other sector?
Hmm. Very good. Actually, in every sector, what we are doing, we are manufacturing product. In education sector, also we are manufacturing a product. And in here, the young mind that is available, their fertile ground where you can culture, nurture, cultivate your thought, your entire wishes through them. So, to create your follower and to keep your name and fame in this universe after your death, that is the best sector uh, to work and to give something to this world. So that is the main purpose, to culture, nurture the young mind of this country. Okay. Right.
So, what is the key behind this successful career in this particular department?
Mainly in this education sector also, what we have to do, we have to be innovative enough. We have to think lot of uh, how to teach, how can make it easier for and simple for everyone. Because in present day, what we are seeing, that different grade student coming to almost in all branch, even in engineering, you will find a simple pass out student with 35 marks with a 99 marks. So you have to make the things very easier. So that is the only how you can teach very simple way and innovative way to the student, which every student can understand. That is the main key, or you can say, behind the success in this sector. Okay.
Nice, nice. So, can you say something about your leadership skills? Because you are also a little that much leader in the particular department.
Mainly, most important things in present day to survive in any sector, you have to be informative. You have to keep updated knowledge surrounding your sector, regulatory aspects. So that is most important. Update your knowledge every day and be innovative. Then you can perform well in any sector. So that I am doing in my sector also. In that way, we are surviving.
So, can I ask you that what are your thoughts about our Indian education system?
Presently, Indian education system too competitive. Here we are unable to create anything new. What we are seeing, and student only marks oriented. They want marks. They are career oriented. They want a good job and marks. That is the main things. But that is not actually the things in education should be. What we are seeing in other country, presently in a new education policy, we are finding those things. So our people can be creative, innovative if we implement that. But present education system is not a successful system for this country, like huge population or populated. So it's not that much effective. It is a competitive, marks oriented, job oriented. That I can say.
Hmm. Exactly, sir. So you are talking about our students is like marks more than education, right, sir?
More than education.
What are the challenges do you think in your institution in the next days?
In my institution, major problem nowadays we are finding that internet connectivity, as it is in a very rural area, remote area from the city. So that is one problem. We need online classes. Student require that. So that is one of the problems. Second problem, okay. Second problem, we have to extend our hostel capacity. Ladies hostel, particularly in campus hostel is there, and more and more number of ladies students coming nowadays. So that is another important aspect, and remaining things okay. There is no such big issues.
Okay. So, what do you think about the young generation or youth of our country?
Hmm. Like youth, they should be innovative, and that is most important requirement for our country presently. That is a big challenges for us, and they should not be competitive for marks. They should not run behind the marks. That they should have live immediately, and they should be sporty enough. They do not think about their job or future prospect. This only they perform their duties. They acquire skill. Most important aspect, the skill they have to acquire, and when need will comes, they can show their skill. That is the important, and they don't have to think regarding their bread and butter. But in this country, majority people only thinking for their bread and butter, and that's why they are not able to do anything. Only they are running behind marks, trying to get a job by hook and crook. That is the system of our education on youth. That inculcate within our youth also same thing. So that's why we are in a problem. So my थॉट एंड यू कैन से मैं चाहता हूँ कि अपना कंट्री की हर बच्चा वो खेला धूला मीन स्पोर्ट्स में जाए और उसके साथ स्किल एक्वायर करे. दैट इज सफिशिएंट.
Exactly, sir. Our youth is not thinking of taking a risk or doing a struggle. So that is the point from your side. So, what do you do to make a healthy relationships with your teammates or colleagues?
Main things that equal opportunity. If we can provide, we do that. We have to provide a equal opportunity to grow to everybody. If we can give that, then it is possible to keep a good relation with teammates and colleagues. Otherwise, it is very impossible things. So we give times and opportunity to each and every one, and that is unbiasedly. That is the most important aspect. So everywhere you will find bias. People are helping someone and not helping to someone. They are creating a difference. We do not do that in this system.
Nice, nice. So, what do you do in your free time, like for your entertainment or for your growth?
Right. For entertainment, mainly we visit a different website, including social media, scientific website, web portal, regulatory web portals, different type of regulation, different countries' activities we observe. Those things we do normally. And for our scientific activity, like the India or other scientific journals, in that we do some works, and sometimes even in our slides here or blogger we upload our thought activities. In that way we pass the time, and writing the papers, books like that also we are doing for our personal purpose.